Hi guys, first of all, I am Haika Faitila from class 9 Dewaruchi. Today we are going to make some Tamago Sando, translate egg sandwich. So let's get started. The ingredients are bread, eggs, honey, or you can use sugar if you want to, and mayonnaise. The first step is to bring the water to a boil, then boil the eggs for exactly 12 minutes. The second step is to remove the eggs and then put them inside a bowl filled with cold water to make it easier to peel the eggs. Step 3 is pour a little bit of salt to the eggs and then mash the eggs by using a fork. After that, add the mayonnaise and mix it well. Also add honey or sugar. And then mix it evenly on the bread. And you're done! Enjoy!